Hey YouTube, this is just going to be explaining how to get a cheap FRFR cabinet amplifier. And what we're going to do is repurpose these older Line 6 products called the Amplifi series. I've seen the 150 watt Amplifi 150, they call it. I've seen those for $199, and those are just loud beyond anything you could ever need. The 75 watt, again, you could probably get those used for 150 or even lower, but there's a procedure. All right, we're not going to totally remove it, we're just going to turn everything off. So I'm going to show you the procedure to turn one of these into something you can use with a modeler or amp in a pedal kind of application. All right, so the first thing you're going to need to do is get your hands on an Android phone. You can't even use iPhones anymore. These are so old. But Android still works, and you got to go and download the Amplifi app from the Google store. You only have to do this one time, and then you can save it. So you will only need to use the app just once. But get yourself an Android phone and install the Amplifi app, and your phone is going to connect with Bluetooth to the amp. I think you even will have to create a Line 6 account, and then you can, with the Bluetooth, you connect to your amplifier. 1A is the one that when you turn on the amp, that's what it goes to. So we're gonna turn everything off on slot 1A. You're going to go to the 1A. All right, and then you'll see like this signal chain. And you basically want to turn off everything in the signal chain. And then we're going to go into amp setting. We're going to choose no amp and no cab sim. So everything, like we have a noise suppressor. We're going to hit the power button and turn it off. Anything on there, compressor, turn it off. Turn it off. Everything off except for the amp. Now we're going to go into the amp. We're going to go into, on the right side you have amps, and you're going to choose under the type, you're going to select that and go to clean. Then under the clean, you select no amp. Right, and then you click done. So now you've gotten rid of the amp simulation on there. And then go to the cab, and the last cab is no cab. All right, and then what you're going to do is go to this little cloud icon. You're going to hit it, and there's going to be like a little computer disk icon. And you're going to select save to my Amplifi. Right, and then you're going to go to bank 1 on the first setting, and you're going to save it there. And now when you plug into the guitar input, there's going to be no Line 6 software operating. And these are real high quality amplifiers in terms of the sound and the components. All right, thanks for watching. Have fun. I hope that helps you. Bye-bye.